Hello there, how's it going? I know it's been a while. I just wanted to say a massive thank you because we're at 1,000 subscribers and I've done literally nothing on YouTube properly in probably over a year. So I do apologize for that. I was uploading regularly for a while and then I have that kind of ADHD, autism, tism, neurodivergent brain where I just don't want to do what I don't want to do, if you know what I mean. I just find it crippling. And I actually really enjoy editing videos because it's creativity, right? But the thought of sitting down to edit a video, it just paralyzes me. So I do apologize. I literally have, if you go on my website and you see all the helmets that I've ever built, I've recorded the build of every single one of them, all sitting on my hard drive, all the raw footage. I just never go through and edit them because I find it crippling. I really do. And I say I'm trying to work through that. Am I? I'm aware of it. And not just with this, with you, just everything in life. Because I don't know. I never used to be like this. Or maybe I'm just more aware of it. Or maybe just everyone is now has some sort of tism. I don't know what it is, but I am fully aware of it. And I do apologize. And I would like to get back to a normal upload schedule. I just right now don't have the answer to that. So sorry for a long introduction, but yeah, I just wanted to say, even though I've done nothing, I've still managed to apparently gain my first 1,000 subscribers. So thank you so much, and I just wanted to say, as a thank you, please take a free file. So if you go to my website, www.jedhaworkshop.co.uk, and well, this is if you want him, the 11th brother Sith Inquisitor mask. Very, very accurate, very, very detailed. You can have him for free. Just go to the 3D file section of the website, scroll down, find him, add him to your cart, and use the code SITH100, SITH 100, all capitals, as your promo code, and it'll discount it 100%. And then you can just download it straight from the site. So, yeah, there you go. Thanks so much. I'm really, really grateful. And as I say, I will try my best to do better. But I can't guarantee anything right now because I still don't know what it is. If anyone else has this weird brain thing, let me know in the comments below. And if also if you've what works for you, because mate, have you noticed the AI bloody adverts pop up and they seem to psychologically speak to you in every single minute detail if you're like, yep, that's me, yep, that's me, so much that I actually listen to them rather than just skip because I'm like, and it's always, what is it, the bloody Liven app? Mate, I want to get off this bloody thing. I don't want to be on the phone more. The phone makes me like this. Do you know what I mean? Social media and just alerts and responding to crap. Like the phone, I think, is the core reason why we're all like this. It's certainly why I am. I think it has, I'm not saying it's everything, I think it has a lot to do with it. I don't want to download an app or do some 30-day old stupid thing on a phone to make me less like that when it's the phone that's the thing. Anyway, I'm rambling. Thank you. And if you're aware of this in yourself, and if you have taken some form of steps to remedy it, please do genuinely let me know. And if you don't feel comfortable in the comments, just chuck me a message on Instagram or Facebook or whatever, or email. I am genuinely interested because, mate, it's horrible. It's awful, isn't it? Like, you know, people describe ADHD as, and I'm not diagnosed, by the way, I just know I have all the traits. We're really, really productive about things that we want to do and get excited about. And anything that we find kind of boring, we just don't do. Like, we don't want to do and we don't do it. And that's how we end up, like, with messy lives. And, mate, my life is pretty messy. And this can't be the way. It can't just be like, oh, you have a different brain. Yeah, I know I have a different brain. But everyone has a different brain. And yes, there are neurodivergents and there are neurotypicals, 100%. There are normies, and then there's the creative folk. So I've known that since I was born. You know what I mean? We are different. But still, so what I mean by that is what works for some people won't work for others. You know, like if my friend gets a project at work due on this day, he starts it that day. I started the night before. You know, oh God, that's one of the AI advert slogans. But it is the truth. And it's not particularly productive, and I don't really want to be like that. And I don't want to feel paralyzed at the thought of editing a video when I actually quite enjoy it and I want to get them out and pretty regularly. Do you know what I mean? If I could afford to pay someone to do it, to edit it for me, I would, but I can't. I'm not in that position. So it's all down to me. So yeah. Thanks. Let me know, and I'll see you later. All right, I've been Ash from Jedha Workshop. Go get your free file. Everything's in the description below, by the way. So, namaste. This is the way. Peace.
Doesn't sound so bad to me.